Hi guys, today I will show you how to open the rear door panel for Santa Fe 2007 till Santa Fe 2010 and change the door lock actuator. So first we will need to remove these bolts. I already removed the covers. There's one here, one on this side. See, one down here. And there is one more bolt here. I need to remove this first. So, we will use this to pop up the panel. There is one point here to start. And now you just lift it. And be careful, don't pull it, because there is a connector here. Remove it first, and then the panel is out. You will turn on the car and connect this connector back, just so you can put the glass down, so you can see this bolt here. So you will put the glass about this level, and then you can see this bolt. We need to remove it and then hang the glass up before removing the panel. So we remove all these bolts to remove this panel, and before that we need to remove the lock handle. There is 3 screws here. After removing this lock, we need to remove this too. Okay, this one. Second. It's out. Now the lock is out. Or lock handle, sorry. And then we need to remove this panel so we can reach the lock actuator here. So I have removed all the bolts here, and when you remove this, the glass will be free. So now we need to remove this too, so we have more space to remove this panel. Now there is the lock. It have some bracket. It's plastic. It's attached here, so we need to open this 3 bolt, so we will be able to take this panel out. So when you pull this panel out, just be careful, because the glass will drop all the way, because you are moving the holder, the white holder there. So when you remove it, just make a little space, pull the glass all the way out, just a little space, and then attach it with something this way, just to secure it here. So to remove this panel also, we need to open this bolt here, so we can remove the door handle, because it's attached to the actuator. So after removing or losing this bolt here, this piece here will come out, and then we can just push the handle out, and then we can lose this screw a little bit. Then we'll deattach this part, and that's what will allow the door lock actuator to be removed. So after taking the panel out, you don't need to disconnect this wire, just cut the tire up here so you have more space, and keep it this way. You can work on the actuator here. So first is to take this white piece out first. And what you need is to push this, and then we need to take this out. After taking this out, it will be easy to remove from here. Then we need to push this clip back. Now it's out. The only thing is left is the connector and these wires here. So I got this piece. This is the new actuator. Just make sure you order the right side or the right part when you purchase this. I ordered online. I will put a link. I got it only for about 50 Canadian dollar, and it's showing that it's genuine part. So I clipped it back and I passed this through 2 wires through, install these 2 rubber plugs back, and of course the electrical connector. Install the wire back again. All what's left is this. You should install it in this place here. So I have installed this back. All what you need is to slide it in this way, and then the clip will come into place. Just make sure all the clips are okay. Then you need to install this wire back. It's a little hard to push it in this place, so I used some plier like this, would be helpful. Now we need to put the panel back. Now I put the panel back. All what you need to do is to remove the wire that was holding the glass, but keep the glass up. Be careful, maybe it will drop down. The rubber will hold it, but in all cases. Then hold the panel with 2 screws only, and then you can push the glass down, so you'll be safe to work on the other parts. This part will come into place just a little bit off. You can use one bolt to, when you screw the bolt, it will come into place exactly. Make sure this locking pin will come into place. Also, you'll need just to put everything back here. This will come into place. You just need to move them a little bit maybe. After that you will screw this one and then install the handle. Before that we can install the part to make sure if it's working or not. So after installing all these screws and the handle, we can test it. See the movement. Also we can test this lock. You will see that the door will not open from inside. Now I have put back all the bolts here and the handle. Just make sure you don't mix between these 2 wires when installing them. Also the screw here that holds the glass. Then can put this back, and now we can put the panel back also. So now we will install the connector back, just not to forget it. And then to install the panel we need to go over this, and after that we make sure this will align with the holes. Then we can just like push them to clip in. So now it's in place. what you need is to push against, and now we can put back the cover here. So now we will check if the window control is working and also the lock. Also we can check the kids lock if it's working. So suppose not to open the door from inside. That's what's happening. Also test the handle.